Hi guys, and welcome back to Levi Mead Fishing. We are at Canal Pier, and I've been here now for about just under 2 hours. Haven't produced no fish yet. I've had big bites, right? I just lost a gut hit because I just lost a conger, and the reason why I haven't filmed any sooner was because there's been so much people down here. It's been incredible. Not fishermen, but just pedestrians. But I think we're in for a good day. As you can see, I have two rods out. I've got my awkward and my what I call my 5 pound rod. One's got, well, they both got macro. I'm fishing out into the channel, so hopefully I'll produce some fish. I'll get back to you. Well, welcome back. Sorry about that, I just had to go and check my rods. Nothing as of yet, but we'll try and produce some fish for you.